Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from PBL RKS 209. Allow us to make a presentation about the PBL that we make. The title is for Scanner Application with GNS3 Network Simulation, feature using data structure algorithm, Blue version. Okay, let me first introduce our PBL member. Mas Eka Bintang, namely myself as a PBL leader. Then Peter Satrio Ramadan, Bayu Arjuna, Desti Silva Dewi, Tania Nistrina Arifa, and Flora Sita. Next, I will explain the project description. Here we use GNS3. What is GNS3? GNS3 stands for Graphical Network Simulator 3. In simple terms, it is a GUI-based network simulator application and serve to simulate more complex network topologies and run a wide variety of network devices such as routers, switches, and firewalls when compared to other types of simulators. And we made a port scanner. Well, what is a port scanner? Port scanner is an important tool in network security that is used to check the state of the port in the system. Its function include identifying security vulnerabilities, diagnosing network problems, and performance testing. A port scanner is a network security tool for checking open ports on a system. There are two types, TCP-based and UDP-based. Next will be explained by Peter.
Okay, here I will explain the output project, namely regarding the topology in our GNS3. First, here we import several NDFS to make our port scanner project, namely cloud, router, switch, and Ubuntu desktop. Then we carry out the configuration to provide access to the Ubuntu desktop NDFS so that it can connect to internet. Then finally, we enter the program code that we have created into the Ubuntu end device.
Well, here I will explain further about our output project. Here we use Python and the data structure is a list, tuple, and string. To connect to the port, we use a socket. We also import TK-inter for GUI creation and finally import image and image TK to display images. For the output generated from the code can be seen next. Next will be explained by my colleague.
Okay, thanks. Now I will explain the output of the project we produced is a GUI dashboard that can scan by entering an IP address or domain name to display which ports are open on a network. On the main dashboard, user only have to input the target IP address or domain name and then select which port they want to be scanned. After that, the dashboard will give us result about which port are open and closed. Maybe that's all I can explain so much from me. Next will be continued by my friend. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Now I will explain the result of the project that we processed. Namely, is GUI dashboard that can scan by entering an IP address or domain name to display which ports are open on a network. On the main dashboard, user only need to enter the target IP address or domain name and then select which ports they want to scan. After that, the dashboard will give us result about which ports are open and closed. Furthermore, for progress, we have completed all stages and reached a percentage of 100% on our project. That's all I can say. Next will be continued by my friend. Thank you.
Okay, I will present our project plan which consists of several steps untuk completion. Step 1, project preparation, meeting with project manager, timeline determination, topology design. Preparation of project management plan. Step 2, learning and task identification, identify the main tasks in port master, analysis, learning GNS3 and VirtualBox. Export network, feature and setting. Step 3, network design and analysis, implement topology design, analyzing network in GNS3, define component for network simulation. Step 4, network implementation, implemented the topology in GNS3 with VirtualBox and Ubuntu server. Perform network setup. Step 5, complementation and presentation, summarize PBL activities, create presentation, material compile reports. Step 6, next project preparation, consult with project manager. Determine the timeline until topology and work plan. Step 7, task identification and preparation. Identify the main tasks, analysis per master, needs learn Ubuntu compatibility, prepare a list of tools and resource. Stage 8, network topology design network topology, create a connection scheme, draw a topology diagram. Step 9, infrastructure implementation, installing VirtualBox, create an Ubuntu virtual machine, instalasi Ubuntu and Portmaster. Step 10, network testing, configure network topology, ensure device connection, and function, perform a connection test.
Okay, there are two project problems. Number 1, lack of references. Number 2, device not support. Okay, here I will explain the job desk of member. Number 1, Masekal Septa, leader and Genestry and VirtualBox installation. Number 2, Peter Satrio, as Genestry network setup, installer and coder. Number 3, Bayu Arjuna, as Ubuntu server, installer and portmaster. Number 4, Desti Silva Dewi, coder and network setup. Number 5, Saniani Srina Alifa, as report. Number 6, Flora Sita, as documentation. Okay, I'll return it to Masekal.
So a port scanner is a tool used to examine ports on a computer network to identify active services and detect potential security vulnerabilities. That's all the presentation from us. If there's a shortcomings in delivery and wrong words, please forgive. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.